Hi guys! Today we are going to keep on working with really big numbers because we're in second grade and we're working with really large numbers to grow our brains. I have a number right here with my popsicle sticks. We're going to show it with popsicle sticks and then I'm going to show you some hide zero cards. First, I want you to think in your brain, what number do I have here? Think in your brain. That's right. I have the number 234. I have two hundreds, so that goes in my hundreds place. I have three groups of 10, so that goes in my tens place, and I have four ones, so that goes in my ones place. Now, we're going to see it with another tool. I'm going to put these away, and we're going to use these. These are called our hide zero cards, and so I have my hundreds, my tens, and my ones right here. And the way that these work is we get the biggest one first. So I see I have 200, so I'm going to put that one right here. And then I have three tens, which is the same as 30. And I'm going to place it right on top. 234, so I'm going to find my 4. I've created the number 234. I can break this apart to show the value of each digit. I see in my hundreds place, tens, ones here. I can take my 2 from the hundreds place and it makes 200. I can keep my 3 from the tens place and that makes 30. And I can keep my 4 from the ones place to make 4. Now I'm going to put it all back together to show my number. 234. Perfect. I'm going to show you a website that you're going to play on next to be able to do this on your own. You're just going to be exploring. So you're going to see this website here and I'm going to teach you how to use it. And then you're going to explore for a little bit before we come back together in another video so I can tell you what you're going to do today. So this website is going to be on the next slide. And I just want you to explore with it. So I've got my ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. So if I put my 1000 right here, then I can get some other cards and place it where it belongs. If you wanted to make 234, I'm going to put these back, I would click this button to the 2. I've got my 200, and then I need to find 30, so I move it here, and now I have all of these with the 30. Now I want to make 4, so I can make 4 ones here. If I separate these, like we did on my little board over here, I have 200 plus 30 plus 4. So if I put them back together, I can clearly see, oh, what is the value of that 3 right here, that digit 3? Pull it away, the value is 30. So have fun exploring for 2 minutes, and then we're going to come back together and I'm going to let you know what you're going to do today.